You have to do your 100% hard work. All you need is consistency of hard work. If consistency of hard work is a compulsory, you will place. Okay, great things take time. I like first of all my profession only a lot. Why? Because I will daily I can learn one new thing.
So, coming to our final question, that will be like, suppose now someone is thinking of joining EdYoda, still not sure, and they ask you, Sindhu, is it okay? Should I join or should I not join? What will your opinion be to them?
You can join blindly.
Okay.
You can.
And any suggestion that you would like to give them before like they are going to start learning? So what will your suggestion be to them?
If you take any course also, it's up to you. But all thing is, you have to do your 100% hard work, and don't get sad if you don't get job. Great things take time. You will get job, but it takes time. All you need is a consistency of patience, consistency of hard work. Consistency of hard work is compulsory. You may fail now, but for the next time you may got job. All you need is consistency of hard work. If consistency of hard work is a compulsory, you will place.
And like your work has already started now.
Yes, I have. This is my 5th month.
Okay, so can you tell us like how has your experience been working in like tech industry now?
Yeah, it's good. Tech industry, we can learn a lot of things. The life up to college will be different, will be totally different from the company. Actually, I'm working from work from office. Right now, I'm in Bangalore. So in office, we can learn many things from our colleagues, even from our heads. They will teach us a lot from them we can learn many things. And the thing is, if we had little bit experience and if we are very pro, we can itself start our own company.
And like, is there something that you used to think like before joining tech industry, you were like, this is how job is going to be, and now you're already like since you're working, is there something that has changed that you feel, oh, it was that I was thinking, but it is like this now real?
We will think like yeah, we sometimes we even I felt hard to work, but we have to manage. We have to have a managing skills, so we can go.
So are you happy now working in tech industry?
Yeah, very happy.
Okay, and suppose someone asks you like three things that you really like about working in this tech industry, what will that be? In your job, what are the three things that you like?
In my job, like I will have an interesting alerts to do.
Okay.
The first thing, and my colleagues are very cool. And second thing, my office environment is very good. I like first of all my profession only a lot. Why? Because I will daily I can learn one new thing. It will be very interesting, like how a thriller movie will be. In that way, we will investigate all our alarm tickets.
All right. So with that, we'll come to the end of this discussion. And thank you so much, Sindhu, for taking time from your busy schedule and sharing your story here with all of us. And I also wish you all the best for your career.
Okay, thank you.
And before we finish, I would like you to say three lines before we end this video. The first line will be, please do like this video. Second line will be, please do share this video with your friends too. And third line will be, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So over to you.
Okay. Subscribe, share, and like.
Okay. All right, Sindhu. With that, we'll be coming to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, like Sindhu said. And that'll be it from our side. Before we end, we'll say bye bye to everyone. So thank you all for watching.
Bye.